They promised that dream can come true, but forgot to mention that nightmare are dreams too. 他们承诺梦想可以成真，却忘了提及噩梦也是梦想。The point of the argument is not to defeat each other, but to understand each other. 争论的目的不是为了打败对方，而是为了互相了解。There are more things likely to frighten us than to crush us. We suffer more, often in imagination than in reality. 世上有更多的事情，通常是吓跑了我们，而不是击垮了我们。我们在想象中，比在现实中遭受更多痛苦。If you believe it will work out, you'll see opportunities. If you believe it won't, you will see obstacles. 如果你相信会成功，你看到的就是机会；如果你觉得不会，那你看到的就只是障碍。Be who you are and say what you feel, because the people who mind don't matter, and the people who matter don't mind. 做自己，有话直说，反正会介意的人不值得你在意，而值得你在意的人不会介意。Be not afraid of moving slowly. Be only afraid of standing still. 不要害怕进步缓慢，只怕止步不前。Given the choice between being right and being kind, choose kind. 在正确和仁慈之间做选择时，选择仁慈。Someone's opinion of you doesn't have to become your reality. 别人对你的看法不一定就会成真。Speak your mind, even if your voice shakes. 说出你的想法，即使你的声音在颤抖。Experience, don't expect. Experience life, do not carry expectation how it should be. 体验不要有期待，体验人生就不要期待人生应该要怎么样。One day or day one, you decide. 有一天还是第一天，由你决定。The past is just a story we tell ourselves. 过去只是我们告诉自己的一个故事。That is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. 当准备完全，遇到适当的时机时，好运就会发生。Honesty without kindness is brutality. Kindness without honesty is manipulation. 毫无修饰的实话是很伤人的，一昧的委婉动听，没有一点真实，是人心的操控。If you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. 如果你改变对事物的看法，那么你看到的事物就会改变。I've had a lot of worries in my life, most of which never happened. 我一生中曾有许多担忧，但其中大部分都不曾发生过。The world is a tragedy to those who feel, but a comedy to those who think. 这世界对于感性思考的人来说是一场悲剧，但对于理性思考的人却是一场喜剧。Fairy tales are more than true, not because they tell us that dragon exists, but because they tell us that dragon can be beaten. 童话故事不仅仅是真实的，不只是因为故事告诉我们巨龙的存在，而且还告诉我们巨龙是可以被打败的。Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. 愤怒像是一种酸性液体，相对于把它倒在任何物体的表面，它对储存它的容器造成的伤害更大。Fake love is mighty convincing in a world where real love is mighty rare. 在真爱极其稀有的世界里，假爱非常具有说服力。Whoever fights can lose. Whoever doesn't fight has already lost. 任何努力的人都可能会输，至于那些不努力的人，是还没开始已经就输了。Life is 10% what happens to us, and 90% how we react to it. 生活就是只有1分的事情会发生在我们身上，而剩下的9分是我们对它的反应。Pain is weakness leaving your body. Choose your pain, the pain of discipline, or the pain of regret. 痛苦是软弱离开你身体的过程，你可以选择你的痛苦，纪律的痛苦，还是后悔的痛苦。The past is in your head. The future is in your hands. 过去存在于你的记忆里，未来掌握在你手中。 Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. 生活中的许多失败，都是人们在放弃时，不知道自己已经离成功有多么近了。If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. 如果生活没有挑战，你就不会蜕变。If you can't beat fear, just do it scared. 如果你不能克服恐惧，那就战战兢兢地去做吧。Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. 怀疑扼杀的梦想，比失败的更多。Stop complaining about the results you didn't get from the work you didn't put in. 不要因为你工作不够投入，而得不到你想要的结果，而来抱怨。One day, you'll thank yourself for never giving up. 有一天，你会感谢自己从未放弃。A failure is not always a mistake. It may simply be the best one can do under the circumstances. The real mistake is to stop trying. 失败并不总是一场错误，在这种情况下，这可能是最好的选择，而真正的错误是停止尝试。It's supposed to be hard. If it wasn't hard, everybody would be doing it. The hard is what makes it great. 成就应该都是难得的，如果不难的话，每个人都可以做得到。正因为困难，才使其变得伟大。The happiest people don't have the best of everything. They just make the best of everything they have. 最幸福的人并非拥有最好的一切，而他们只是充分地利用自己所拥有的一切。Leave when a promise turns into a story. 当承诺变成遗憾，就是该离开的时候。Be alone sometimes. Sometimes it is important for your mind and well-being. 有时候独处一下吧，通常这对你的心灵健康很重要。Education in knowing things means nothing if you're not willing to put in effort and use what you know. 如果你不愿意付出努力，并运用你所学的，那么培养知识的教育就毫无意义可言。 Believe half of what you see, and don't believe anything you hear. 你看到的事情，只能相信一半，不要相信你听到的任何事情。When you drink, you are borrowing happiness from tomorrow. 当你喝酒时，你是在借用明天的幸福。Don't make decisions when you are angry. Don't make promises when you're happy. 生气时，不要做任何决定；快乐时，不要承诺任何事。If your problem can be solved with money, it's not a real problem. 如果你的问题可以用钱来解决，那它就不是真正的问题。Learn to be content and happy by yourself. If you need a company to be happy, then it will make you weak. 学会自己满足和快乐。如果你需要人来陪伴才能快乐，那么你不会变得坚强。Trust is built over the life of a relationship, but it can be lost in an instant if you are not careful. 信任是在关系的整个过程中建立起来的，但如果你不小心，信任可能会瞬间消失。The world owes you nothing. It's too big and has too much going on. 这世界不欠你什么，它太大了，每分每秒都有很多事情在进行中。Don't change yourself just to make someone happy, unless that someone is you. 不要仅仅是为了让某人快乐而来改变自己，除非那个人就是你。You can make all the mistakes you want. Just don't make the same one twice. 你可以犯所有你想要犯的错误，只是不要犯2次同样的错误。People have to do a lot of stupid shit to figure out what they really want. 人们总是要做很多蠢事后，才清楚他们真正想要的是什么。To be real, the only thing constant in this world is change. 说真的，这个世界唯一不变的就是改变。Making others look bad doesn't make you look better. 让别人难看，自己也不会好看。No excuses, Because excuses don't solve your problems. 没有任何借口，因为借口不能解决问题。